Gear up, Wisconsin. Tonight, we dive headfirst into the vibrant and unexpected side of Lake Geneva. It's more than just a lakeside retreat. It's a destination where sunsets transform into magic, mystery, and unforgettable fun. Picture this: cocktails at the historic Baker House, and pairing fine wines with artisan cheeses at Hill Valley Dairy. And just because I know you'll be craving more, a sunset cruise along Geneva Lake awaits. Cocktails in hand, music in the air, and endless charm on deck. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Lake Geneva's nightlife has an adventurous side too. The ladies and I hit the lake for a cocktail at Pier 290, the perfect precursor to our first escapade, axe throwing, and a hint of knife throwing. After a solid workout, we quench our thirst with some self-pouring brews at Geneva Tap House. Yes, everything here is a must-try. Rehydrated and ready to go, we battle it out at Lake Geneva Billiards, where us ladies finish out the night with a grand win. For those looking to step into Lake Geneva's enchanting side, we discover one of Wisconsin's most incredible performances at the Tristan Crist Magic Theater. This place is more than abracadabra. Mystery leads to history, and we enter the iconic Belfry Theater, where yet another stage brings us top-notch live entertainment. We'll have to make a toast to our new favorite venues, of course, at Topsy, Turvy, where stained glass windows shed a new light on the craft beer scene, and of course the great community here at Lake Geneva. And we can't let you leave Lake Geneva without a little intrigue. Lake Geneva Ghost Walks takes us on a chilling history tour throughout the downtown, which leads us to none other than Maxwell Mansion's Apothecary Bar and Speakeasy. While there, we'll visit mind reader Joe Diamond for a true spook. And lastly, we invite you to one of the area's most beloved wonders, Yerkes Observatory, a perfect starlit finale to any summer night. Lake Geneva, it's always been the place for evening magic.